Hello everybody, we're here at the Warner Brothers studio tour. We're gonna go ahead and go inside now. Come join us. We had just finished doing the little tour, our little guided tour. I really appreciate the tour guide. He was really funny. We're here in Studio 48, right here. They have the little Central Perk Cafe, a couple of other things on this side, and an exhibit right there. We're gonna go ahead and get some food, maybe some coffee. Let's go. They have a little lunch menu there. I'm gonna get the hot dog. She got her little sandwich melt. Are you in Chandler and Joey's house? Now, I know a lot of people did not like the newest Mortal Kombat movie, but I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the movie. I can't wait for the second one to come out. But just look at these costumes. They're actually worn by the actors. You can see like the little weathering on the costumes too. Sheldon's outfit right here. This little flash shirt. Cassie, that's my spot. Okay, I'm gonna design a Batmobile. Oh, that's cool. I think my favorite is this one. Just because it looks like it actually has bat wings. I think Warner Brothers should hire me. You know, this is really cool to see. You have the opening thing for the Batman animated series as a poster board, or storyboard I mean. Yes, these are concept arts right there. Batmobile and the Batman himself, voiced by Kevin Conroy. These two are older than I am. These three are older than you.
These are all
they're all older than you, huh? So the Riddler and the Penguin from the newest Batman movie. It's pretty cool. A little bit more down here. We got Mr. Freeze and the Joker, Dark Knight, and then Batman and Robin. So these were actually worn by the actors. That's Heath Ledger, Arnold Schwarzenegger. That's a really cool suit. Wonder Woman. If that's actually worn by her, she's a lot shorter than I thought she was. But I didn't think she was like that short. I mean, let me stand next to her basically. Like maybe like to my nose.
I think she's a little taller than me.
Stand up straight?
I am.
she's a little bit taller.
Yeah.
By a little bit. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't think I was gonna like the Batman movie as much as I thought I was gonna like it. I was a little skeptical because Robert Pattinson was gonna be the new Batman. He surprised me, and I actually really enjoyed the movie a lot. I didn't think I was gonna like the Batmobile as much as I thought I was gonna like it, but it looks really cool. This one was worn by Christian Bale. You see on the sides right here are his little gadgets. His his little batarangs. All the other gadgets that he uses on the sides right here. So this one's for Batman vs Superman. I think these are the grenades that he uses when he's fighting Superman. I feel like I'm actually in the Batcave right now. If you look in the corner, right there, there's like his giant penny and a dinosaur. Now, this is probably one of the best Batmobiles. The original 1989 Batmobile, driven by Michael Keaton. We're at the gift shop now, so we're gonna see what kind of stuff we could find. Maybe take something home.
It's like aquatic here. Look at him.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'll tell you what, Morty. Oh gee, I don't know, Rick. Because you're a director, huh?
No, for you.
You can be a director too, though.
No. I would be the stunt woman, but...
Okay, you'd be the stunt woman.
No, I'm not.
I'll be the director. You can be the stunt woman. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go to sleep now, okay? Bye, good night. I'm going to sleep now. No, get out of here. Leave a comment. Share. Bye, go.